how to change your Steam profile background. So all you have to do is to open your or launch your Steam account here. Just sign in your account. Then here it will look like this. Now the next thing that I want you to do is to tap on store here. Just put your crosshair to your to store here, and these options will actually come out, right? You'll see feature, discovery queue, wishlist, points shop, news, and stats. So I want you to tap on points shop here, and I want you to go here on the left side. I want you to go here to your, as you can see, your profile items, tap on backgrounds. Now, to be able to change your profile background is you have to buy your desired background here. So you have to top up and buy some points here to be able to buy these backgrounds here. Now, Steam do not have this customized background, right? So it will only give you a black plain background there. So let's say you want to buy this, then just purchase that or choose any background you want. Now if you're done buying the background that you want, is you may want to go here to your, just toggle your, tap on your name here, then it will look like this, right? Now on the right side you will see edit profile there. Tap on edit profile, and then go here to, on the left side you will see these options here. You'll see general, avatar, profile background. Of course, tap on profile background there and scroll all the way down. As you can see, you only have one option there, default. But if you have bought a background, it will actually add up here, and just choose that and tap on save. And basically that is how you change your Steam profile background. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.